This is an authentic sponsored review
for this Hopwell steel tongue drum. These are so cool. My daughter's been asking for one of these forever, and we finally got her one. Check this out. It's all nicely packaged with a nice little carrying case. That way it keeps it safe and protected when you're not using it. And this is what it looks like. There's some little rubber surfaces on the bottom. That way when it sits down, it's not moving around and it's not scratching any surfaces or anything like that. And then the sound can go all the way through the bottom because it's elevated a little bit. It comes with some extra little rubbery parts as well. Maybe some extra drumming tips. And it also comes with a music notebook, so that way you can learn to play songs right from the start. And never play. Really nice rich tones in here. She's gonna love this. It comes with a cute little skirt around it, braided skirt. So if you're considering getting one of these for your loved ones, this is going to make a great gift for children or adults, anybody who could use a little calming and peace and likes to maybe drum or feel a little bit artistic or musically inclined. Keeping you nice and calm and relaxed and at peace. If you're considering one of these, this is a really great choice. My daughter's gonna be so geeked that we're giving her this for Christmas. When you're all finished, just put it all in here, and there's a little carry strap for carrying it around your shoulder, or you can just carry it with the other hand handle, and go. Very versatile.